Hello, my name is Stefan Eckertz. Today I want to introduce you our new folding machine, the PowerBend Multi. This video should be an overall presentation of all innovations. A few of them will definitely surprise you. So stay tuned and follow our channel. The PowerBend Multi is the successor of our well-proven MPB machine. It's available in the working lengths 2.5, 3.2 and 4 meter. Behind me you can see the machine in 4 meter with a bending capacity of 2 millimeter mild steel. This machine closed the gap between the workshop machine MRKU and the industrial solutions in the PowerBend series. And that's exactly how it's developed. All innovations of the MRKU are included, like the conical backstop or the setback bending beam. Technical developments that we have taken over from the PowerBend series are, for example, the rotating upper beam, what allows us to use a goat fruit tool till a height to 170 millimeter. With that tool it's also possible to bend deep gutters or deep foresight products. The rotatable upper beam comes with a hydraulic tool clamping system, which is a standard option. We have fully motorized sheet thickness adjustment on the clamping beam and on the folding beam. In addition, we have a manual central crowning, which makes it possible to reach accurate bending results when bending 2 millimeter steel in full length. Unlike the MRKU, the clamping beam is driven by spindles. At this folding capacity, this gives us technical advantage over an eccentric drive. But now let's talk about the probably most groundbreaking innovation of the PowerBend Multi. In combination with the option of a rotating upper beam, it is possible to set back the upper beam and clamp the sheet. This allows folding hems in one working step. The biggest advantage here is the much higher stability of the folding machine during bending compared to the traditional pressing with the upper beam. For the first time, the technical principle applies to a folding machine. What can be folded can be also pressed shut. In this case, it means 2 millimeter steel sheet per 4 meter bending length. I hope you liked the short presentation of our new machine. If you're interested in more details, watch our channel. See you soon and goodbye.